Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm getting to the final ITZY request here as part of this sponsored block from our buddy Pops Reacts. I am a bit behind on sponsored requests, so if Hinshao, if you're watching this, I apologize, my friend, and CB, Bad Cowboy, same to you. This is DYT from ITZY. I haven't looked it up, but I'm pretty sure that's gonna, especially given the vibe we've had going, I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be the acronym for Do Your Thing. I could be wrong, but like I said, DYT and the confidence and the freedom aspects that we've had in the most recent releases, that's what I think it's gonna mean. But this is the reaction video. The breakdown video will be posted separately. If you're not familiar with what I do with that, the breakdown is where I go into lyrics and anything I might see in the video that I think is worth talking about. And yeah, I think that's everything. Let's get started. There are no subtitles here. Alright, we got the little camera focus identifier. They're all so cute. Very nice. Blah, blah, blah. DYT, don't you want me? Show me love. 빨리 그래 애매. 느껴지는 Are you ready? I like this one. Come show me, bring me, give it. 원맨 새로운 fever. 처음엔 네가 보는 네가 now. I'm playing this game so hard. 서둘러봐, I'm too fast. 시작. It's such an interesting transition. Get into it, Yeji. There it is. Do your thing. Very nice. Okay. I really enjoyed this one. I actually liked this one better than the Tunnel Vision title track. It reminds me of, and I can't remember like off the top of my head what it's reminding me of from their discography. It's recent. Am I thinking of Untouchable? Like with that interesting instrumentation? I'm not sure. I think that might be what I'm thinking of, but it's reminiscent of, but it's obviously much different than whatever is in my head. I was right about DYT, meaning do your thing. So, point for me. Also, I enjoyed the format of this one. So, from a video standpoint, it's not common. It's not like unheard of, but it's not common that we see, behind the scenes stuff. But it's even less common that we see behind the scenes stuff from another video being what makes up the current video. So like a lot of those scenes were either stuff from them obviously in the studio or from the making of the tunnel vision video that we saw earlier today. So yeah, that was a cool little switch up. Let me know what you guys thought, and I will see you for the breakdown. Alright guys, that was DYT, or Do Your Thing, from ITZY. Thank you, Pops, for the request. If you guys enjoyed, I hope you'll hit the bell to enable your notifications. You can also like the video, share, subscribe. All that stuff is free. It helps the channel. Also, shout out to our Patreons, and if you want to get a request done here on the channel, there's a couple of ways to do that. You can either go to Patreon and become a paid subscriber. Paid subs get access to things I can't put here on the channel, and they get prioritized requests every month. Also, if you don't want those benefits, but you still want requests done, there's a link to PayPal in the description below, and instructions on how to use that. So feel free to check it out, and I will see you for the next one. Take care, everybody.